Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install, well, technically not install the iMovie. You're just going to download it, extract it, and then run. So let me show you really quick what I mean. So I have uploaded iMovie 10 to my personal drive, my Google Drive. All you're going to do is copy the link from the description below, paste it in whatever browser you're using, hit download, and then once, I'm not going to download it because I've already done it, but once it's downloaded, you're going to go to your downloads folder or wherever your downloads are going to, and you're going to find the iMovie 10.1.6 zip. You're going to right click, you're going to open with, and you're going to do the archive utility, and or whatever utility extraction tool you have. And once you do that, you're going to see the iMovie icon. You can literally drag that to your desktop, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you all have a great night. Thanks for watching. All right.